Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 6, the triangles and its properties. Triangles and its already we started. Now today's class is here exterior angle property. Exterior angle property says that exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. Property says that exterior angle is equal to that value is exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. That is the one important property. This one exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior. Using this property, we can solve some problems. Exercise 6.2 related to this property. Exercise 6.2. First question they tells find the value of unknown exterior angle x. Find the value of x. That is the question. So diagrams are there. In this way diagram are they given. Here x is there. Here 50 degree. There here mark it as 70 degree. We want to find out the x. How to find out what is the rule? X here with for identification we mark it as an alphabet as A, B, C, like this way we can mark. And here we can give an alphabet as which alphabet D we can use. Which is the exterior part? ACD is the exterior part. Exterior part ACD is equal to sum means add which angle inside opposite with respect to C vertex which are inside opposite angle A angle and B angle. That is the meaning. So we can say exterior angle ACD is equal to, we only put alphabet in question, alphabets are not there. For easy calculation, we generated the alphabets. ACD is the exterior angle, sum of opposite. Which are opposite angle? Angle A plus angle B. They are opposite inside angle. They are angle sum. So ACD value we don't know. That is equal. Angle A become how much? 50 degree. Angle B become how much? 70 degree. So 50 plus. So ACD place they given us x. That's why that place we can mark it as x. X is equal to 50 plus 70 because how much? 120 degree. So we can say that therefore x value because how much degree we got? Exterior angle become 120. In this way we want to solve the sums. This type some more questions are there. Then next question. Next same way we can find out the exterior. Like this way diagram is given then. In this diagram they given the measurement as this side as 65 degree, here 45 degree, and this side they given as x. Then in this diagram where the exterior part comes to this side. So for identification any alphabet for calculation purpose we can write it as A, B, C and X and mark it as this point as D. Then which part is our exterior part? ACD is our exterior part. So we can write ACD value. ACD is with respect to C vertex which are opposite angle inside opposite angle A and angle B. So we can write angle A plus sum of the opposite interior angle. Rule says like that. So ACD value is how much there? X. So X equal angle A is how much? 45 degree plus angle B value is how much? 65 degree. So X value become, add that 5 plus 5 10. So 110 degree become the X. Exterior angle become how much we have? 110 degree. This is the meaning of that first bit, the first Roman. This type of question find out the exterior angle of exterior angle part. That is the question. Then next one more question, third question. Third one is like this way diagram they given. Any alphabet we can in this way, this side extending there, and angles are given as here 60 degree. Their part here also 60 degree is given there. then here alphabets not there, here they mark it as x value. In this way done. So for calculation what we want to do, any alphabet I mark it as P, Q, R and this side mark it as S. Then which is our exterior part? PRS is our exterior. Exterior means outside angle. PRS is the exterior. Then with respect to R vertex, which are the opposite inside angle? Angle P and angle. Their sum is equal to the x. That is the rule. So P and Q. So PRS value is how much? X. Angle P is how much? 60. Angle Q also how much? 60. 60 plus 60 become how much? 120. Therefore x value exterior angle become 120. In this way we want to solve that first bit. Then next they are related to find out the x value. Next second Roman. In second Roman they ask you to find out the unknown x value. Exterior angle is given there. Find out the unknown x value. Find the value of x. Diagram is like this the way. Here diagram in this way x value find out. Here 50 degrees given there. There we mark it as x and exterior part angle given as 150. See, here they given like this. In this way they ask you to find out this x value. So looking time this diagram represent as which property? Exterior property. Exterior angle is there. That's why for calculation purpose we mark any alphabet A, here B and C, this part represent as a D. Then exterior angle property applied, which is the exterior part, angle ACD is the exterior part, outside angle, which with respect to C vertex, which are the inside opposite angle, angle A and angle rule says that sum means angle A and angle B are adding, value substitute, ACD angle is how much marked in the questioning diagram, 100, instead of that place we can substitute 115 degree. Next angle A represent as how much they marked 50 degree. There angle A place we can mark 50. Angle B is unknown. How much they mark x? That is the question. Find out this B value. B value find. How to find out linear equation chapter we learned. So what we want to do, x value find means plus 50 degrees set it to left side, plus 50 goes to opposite side, their sign were changed, plus change it to minus. So already left side 150 degrees there, plus 50 bring to left side, change it to minus 50 is equal to right side variable x there. Then subtraction to 150 is subtracted with 50. How much will coming there? 65 degree. Therefore x value become 60. So b value become how much we can say? B value become 65 degree. That is the meaning of that question. This way unknown x value we want to find. That is the second bit. They telling like such type. Some more 4 or 5 questions are the diagram and giving a unknown x value find out. One more question. This is same bit. One more question. B question they says like this. Here in this way diagram is given there. Diagram is given like this. They mark it as here 70 degree. Then outside part 100 degree. There this part x. In this way they given. How to find out here? See which is the exterior part in this triangle. This side is extended to outside. That's why they call it as exterior part. For identification mark alphabet P, Q, R and this side mark it as S. So which is our exterior angle? PRS is our exterior. So we can write it as a rule says that exterior angle, that is PRS angle, is equal to, with respect to R vertex which are opposite inside angle, P and Q are the opposite. Sum of the opposite interior angle. So angle P plus angle Q. Values, but PRS value is given. How much given? Marked on the diagram 100 degree. That's why in second step PRS place we can substitute 100. Angle P mark it as which value? X degree plus angle Q place 70 degree. So Q place we can substitute as 7. Our aim is to find this x value. How to find out? Plus 7 send it to left side. Plus value goes to left side, change it to minus 7. So 100 is subtracted with 70 degree is equal to x. So 100 minus 70 become how much will come in there? 30 degree is coming there. So we can say it will become x value become a 30 degree. Therefore x value become how much we got a 30 degree. That means x represent as angle P. Angle P represent how much? Angle P represent as a 30 degree. I hope you can understand that type of question. Then next one is angle sum property of a triangle. Next one, angle sum property of a triangle means already first class we discussing time I says triangle has how many sides? Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has how many angles? Triangle has 3 angles. Then sum of that 3 angle is always that angle. Here suppose ABC is a triangle. A, B, A, C. Then here how many sides are there? A, B, A, B, C, A, C. 3 sides. What are the angles asking them? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Then sum of this angle become always how much degree? 180 degree. Must and should. In triangle case, the 3 angles adding time always we get how much? That is rule 180 degree. Must and should come in there. That property we call it as angle sum property. Angle sum property means sum of 3 angles of a triangle is always coming as how much degree? 180 degree. Using this property, next Roman exercise 6.3 we are going to discussing. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. There also diagrams are there. Here one triangle diagram is there. They mark it as X. Here A, B, C, already their alphabet is there. They given in the diagram 50 degree, 60 degree. What they ask you to find out this A angle find out. That means this X angle find out. That is the mean. So here BC side is not extended to outside. Extended to outside means we can apply exterior angle. But here BC side is not extended to, or AB side is not extended, or AC side is not extending to outside. Only just a triangle diagram only given. Then that's why we identify that here which property we want to apply angle sum property. Angle sum property says that sum of 3 angles become how much? 180. So which are the angles in this diagram? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C value become how much? 180 degree. Second step, all values substitute. Angle A place which degree marked there? X. So X, A place X. B place how much degree? 50 degree. Then C place how much degree? 60 degree is equal to right side 180 degree. And 50 plus 60 become how much degree? 110 degree. So X plus this known values adding time 110 degree is equal to 180. So our aim is to find the X value. So plus 110 sent to opposite side. Plus 110 sent to opposite side it comes to be minus. So 180 subtracted with 110 degree. Subtraction doing how much will come in here? 180 minus 110 become how much? 70 degree. X value become 70. So A angle become how much we got? So is it right or wrong? See, A angle now we got 70. B value is already 50 is there. C angle is 60. Is it all these 3 values adding time 180 coming or not? Once we can check it. 70 plus 50 become how much? 120. 120 plus third angle 60 adding time how much? Yes, 180 only. For just we checking time. So our answer is correct too. Same model, one more question. Same model, one more is there. B question like this way. Same model only. Here see in this way diagram. They mark it as X, Z, Y. Here they mark it as 110 degree. Here they mark it as 30 degree. Here no angles there, X, Y. Here also external any side not extending to outside. Only just a triangle diagram only. That's why we identify that which property here applying their angle sum. Here any side extended to outside, there you applied exterior angle property. Here outside any side not extending to outside. outside. That's why we apply here angle sum property. Angle sum property says the sum of three angles become how much degree? What are the angles there? X angle, Y angle, Z. So we can write angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. Then values of next step, second step values. X place which angle? 30 degree. Y place which value? 110 degree. Plus Z place which angle? X. So is equal to 180 degree. Our aim is to find this X alphabet X. 110 plus 30 become how much? 140 degree. Adding that value is equal to X. X is equal to right side which angle is, which value is that? 180. So X we want. So alphabet X keep left side. 140 send it to right side, plus value goes to right side, change it to minus 140. 180 minus 140 degree become how much it coming? 40 degree will come. So that's why we understood that this Z value become how much? 40. Is it right or wrong? Once we can check. X value is 30, Y value is 110, Z value we got now as 40 degree. Is it adding to 180 getting or not? 110, 110 plus 30 comes to be 140, 140 plus 40 become how much degree? 1. Yes, our answer is right only. Always all these three angles adding time, always we get which how much degree? 180 degree. That is the meaning of this question. This exercise, first Roman, this type, some more diagrams are giving and asking find out the X value, third angle find out. So that means X value find out they ask me. So how to find out? Angle sum property apply and find out. I hope you can understand this model questions. Remaining questions we can discuss on next class. Thank you.